guys, me Brayden today. This is part 2 of me playing Don't Press the Button. Don't forget to subscribe and get to 1,000 subscribers so see that. I hope you're enjoying the video and now do it. Watch out, boulders are coming. Okay, push the button. The spiky walls are closing in. Don't touch the spikes. Oh, I was worried that the light one will come over. What? Oh, they touched the spike. If you touch the spikes, you die. Pass the fake bomb. I don't. This wolfie person dies. And it exploded. Cross the road. Dang it, dude, come on! When is the second one come? Everyone's not gonna die. Oh! Someone died! Hold on, let's get out my speed coil. And, someone just won. I think a few people won. 24 villager has the hot potato. Don't let them pass it to you. I think it's someone has the hot potato. Don't let them pass it to you. You died. Because if you have the hot potato when the timer runs out, you explode. Quick, get on the platform. Yes! Yes! I keep not dying. Score a goal with the soccer ball. Oh, we're gonna block the ball. Yes! I got it in the goal! Tyler Trash scored. Good job. I'm the good squad player. I remember the other video someone won it when I kicked it. Maybe around 2-1. No, 2-1. 2-3 has a sword. Avoid them until the round ends. Get ready to fight with laser guns. Oh no. I don't want to fight. Oh my god. Don't. Oh my god, this is laser tag. Gotta watch out for people tagging you with the laser gun. Because if you get someone, they might make their body fall apart and then die. And then get spawned back to the lobby. Watch out. Watch it. Come on, watch out. Oh my god, someone was trying to shoot me. I gotta hurry before... Come on. Flock, hurry. Hurry before these people kill me. Oh my god, I heard someone get shot. The music got removed. Okay, there's like 3 survivors in this. It's time for the trivia question. What was Don't Push the Button created? Yes, it was created in 2019, like 6 years ago for Massive Escape. It was created when I was like... Okay, I'm not gonna say him. Do you hear my buddies? He's telling me to do not say it. When the button was Don't Push the Button created. That's bad. About when... What... Hey guys, when I was 5, Don't Press the Button came out and Massive Escape. Oh my god, my head got big. My head got big. And my skin, I'm fat. A fat Labubu. Stranded, 5 logs to make a bridge. Oh, I have a log. Because every time you place one, you get 1 coin. Because I think it only plays 1 bridge at a time. She's like trying to chat something. That's a mystery chat. There you go. Now let's wait until when they come over. Stranded. Find logs to make a bridge and cross over. Stranded. Come on, everyone. Come on, go faster, everyone. Place the log. Place the log. I said place the log. Place the log. Dang it, I fell down. Dang it. How is that unlocked? Dang it, I lost my big head. I lost it. And someone just fell down there too. Dang it, they're gone. Come on. Oh only one more bridge. Come on, place it! Yes! The bridge has been built. The adventure continues. Oh my god, I went to the cave first. And everyone passed it. Now let's push the button. Remember what cup the coin is in. I'm gonna point my finger at it. Get ready to focus on it. Cause if you pulls that lever, you get exploded to the roof. You get thrown to the roof. This one. Oh dang it, I can't hold it for too long. Dang it, dude, I chose the middle one. Dang it. Dang it, I can't choose any more cups. Dang it. I chose the middle. Dang it, dude. Why does it still work? You chose the wrong one. Dang it, dude. How can you choose another one when you choose the right one? You choose the right one. Dude, why does it only use one use on a different one? Does it use... Oh, this is a graveyard. Oh, a zombie died. Oh, they created new faces. Oh my god, the body came off. Come on, everyone. Defeat the skeletons or zombies to earn a cup to go fast or get a super jump. When I lose my jump, I'm gonna use my gravity coil. Oh my god. 18. Not 20 skeletons. 23. Dang it, 25 zombies got defeated first. Dang it. Now I have to use my jump. Come on, drink. There you go. And now I got speed and jump. Get ready to throw ornaments on the tree. The player with the most ornaments on the tree wins. Well, it's the same one. This is from Jingle Bells. I'm gonna sing Jingle Bells. One horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it used to ride in a one horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells about tells me, and making spirits bright. And oh, what fun it used to ride and sing in a sleighing horse tonight. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna sing anymore. Time's up. Oh, Rainbow! No, too has won like 19 ornaments. He threw like 19 ornaments on the tree. The Christmas tree. Find the correct pad. Which one is gonna be the correct pad? Choose one. Dang it, 2 of them died. Oh, dang it, dude. Why does it switch answers on this correct pad? Finish the obby. Dang it, I lost my speed. Now I have to use my speed coil right now. And someone just died. Now let's keep jumping. Oh, what the heck? I made it up. Because when you beat the zombie, you get 5 points. Because one original one used to have a sign on top of you saying, I finished the obby and I'm proud. That's what it says on the one from the original one, but it's a different one though. But there's only like 3 obbies from this. So if you touch the lasers, you die. Because every time when you make it to the top of all of them, except for one, you get a sign or like 5 coins. Okay, push the button. Rainy Doge heads. Doge heads. It's Doge heads. A lever is hiding somewhere in the bushes. Find it and pull it to open the door. Temple door. Number 1 plastic chewer found the lever. Head inside the temple and open the treasure chest. They go, I got like 10 coins for opening it. When you make it to the end, you get 10 coins. Let's hope that magic trick comes back so I can know the cup. So I won't choose a different cup, just hold my finger there. Because if you let go of it, the little boo will stop choosing it. Everyone managed to get the chest. Everyone managed to get to the chest. Oh, someone got invisible. Get ready to play different. Vera Queen has to stop the Wonders from reaching to the end using their traps. Each one, begin. Oh my god! Oh my god! They almost came on me. Oh my god, stay away from that. That looks like a blow dryer. Hurry. Yes! I did it! I'm the only one that got to the end. The Labubu made it to the end. Labubu. Labubu. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna use my laser gun. Oh my god, do not shoot me. I swear, please. Whoa. Oh my god, I heard someone get shot. This is from Trollpin Tower. And I used to play when someone used to kill me so many times with VIP and I got absolutely mad. That was crazy to me. And someone died. Now it's just only me and you and this guy. Oh my god! Oh, she died. She almost shot me. Oh my god, he's only gonna shoot me. I'm the only one remaining with this guy. Yes, there you go. Take the L. Oh my god, I heard someone change their clothing. The cake is a lie. I cannot add any more movies. Add any more videos to my movie video. Because I can't make it anymore. Who's gonna get the diamond? The diamond is absolutely secret to me. Nope, it's not over there. He found the diamond. No, he did not. Let's head down here. I found it! Timely Trash got the diamond. Good job. Nice. I found the diamond. I didn't know if it was too secret to me. Uh-oh, the button is on fire. Quick, get a fire extinguisher before the button explodes. Get off the button. Okay. Number 1 plastic chewer stopped the fire. Good job. Get ready to color these tiles with the most colored tiles wins. Guys, it has been 1 year since this channel was made it. Cause what I got after what we saw about, hey guys, this be rated about, I saw that was made like 1 year. Happy 1 year on the Tiny Brothers channel. And this is why I have a Labubu on me. When I find something cool, I'm putting it on. Oh, Blue Team won with 443 colored tiles. Good job. Wow. Blue Team goated. He said Blue Team goated. Let me see if there's a laser up top of us. Oh, someone just already died before I got up. I have to get out this and then I get up. I just already got this like a few days ago. The other day I just already got this for Robux because it costs Robux in the shop. It's in the particle shop. The Robux shop. And then you can buy a donation and banana peel, hat box, radio, gravity coil, and VIP server panel. What is that? Stop hitting me with your wooden sword. Put all the plugs into the white sockets to turn the big light bulb on. Come on, put the plug in! Plug it in! He said, dude! Move! Dude, it's over here! Move! There you go. He said nah. Yes. No. Nah. Yes, no, nah. Get on the blue platform. Oh! Finally, JK. Someone said JK finally. Yes, no, nah. Memorize the notes we played in. 4, 3, 1, 1. 4, 3, 1, 1. There you go. I got them. We're the only ones that headed back. Quick, don't move. Don't move. You can move now. Come on. Come on, press the button. Lasers will come towards you. Get to the safe spots. Get to the safe spots. Middle. Someone flew high. Go to the triangle one. The Labubu is smaller. The Labubu is smaller. Get to the middle again. This person keeps throwing pies. Oh my god, I almost died and touched my radio and I didn't die. Be careful, don't touch the lasers. Oh my god, I almost died. It touched me and I didn't die. Yes! Yeah! I did it. Oh my god, we spawned next to the button. Deliver to the house that has the same... Deliver pizza to the house that has the same color... The same roof cover as your pizza box. Yes! I had the green one. Everyone delivered the pizza. Good job. Landon the chef is missing the ingredients to make a cake. Go find them. Okay, he needs the eggs, sugar, and milk. Cake! Cake!
Yummy! Yummy!
I love Jesus. This person said on the chat, he loves Jesus.
Yummy! Yummy!
If you eat it, someone says yummy. Cross the road. This is Crossy Road. But when there's no logs to jump over and no trains. And I'm jumping over something. There's only like one person remaining crossing the road. Everyone's died when I made it to the end. And now it's only me and you that made it to the end. I am Pretty Z made it. Pretty's made it. Quick, get on the platform. Yes. I got the diamond and it got on the platform. And you. Someone said I love the boo-boos. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god, stay away from the bomb. They died! I was worried that the bomb will explode. Dang it. My melody survived. My melodies survived. That's lovely. That likes the boo-boos. He likes the boo-boos. She likes the boo-boos. Let's place a Christmas tree. Oh my god, it's Baldi. Christmas tree. December is like 3 months ago. 3 months later. I'm so happy to get cooler toys on Christmas. I said 3 months later it would be Christmas. Did you hear my brother, guys? My brother is playing with the football. I'm a mini Labubu. TY stands for thank you for like my name. Like Tyler. Hey, trash. Get ready for snowball fight. I make my Christmas tree grow and they're flowing snowballs. Don't throw snowballs at me. A Christmas tree got up. Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it used to ride the horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what fun it used to ride horse open sleigh. Hey, dashing for the snow. And what horse open sleigh? All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Those are about towns we and making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it used to ride and sing it all and sleigh tonight. Oh, I'm not gonna sing anymore. Yes, I survived! Because I think when you survive this round, you get like 5 coins. The building is burning. Escape. Okay, now let's avoid lava in the building. The building is burning from starting from the top where you start on the building. Because I think that's the top of the building. This is Burger Headquarters. That HQ stands for headquarters. That's Burger HQ, Burger Headquarters. The burger sign is gonna get knocked down. Looks like, oh my god, it got destroyed all the way. The building is getting destroyed. Stop hitting me with your wooden sword. Someone said Labubu. I said Labubu with the exclamation mark. Let's go trick-or-treating. I'm the only one that's going so slow. Labubu. I'm gonna get out my controller. Wait, no. Let's choose yes. But if this is the ghost, we're gonna gasp. Gasps. Gasping. Gasps. A ghost answered. Watch out for its attacks. I knew it! My melody said Labubu again. Keep dropping. She said she likes Labubus. Labubus are an old character, but we didn't get candy. Because if there's a noob inside, you can get candy if I buy them. That house has a ghost. Because the noob was fake. Because I don't know if that Labubu only... Someone said RIP Burger HQ. My brother told me no. He has a Labubu like me. He's a Labubu. Mommy, can you join me please? Because we're both Labubus. He said, I know key easy. Wait, it's no key easy. Type the spam to click the button. Get ready. Keep clicking, everyone. Keep clicking. Time's up. See what the results are. The button has been pressed 263 times. Wow. Amazing score. Don't fall in. Don't fall. He's like telling us to don't fall and don't fall. I'm gonna go on top of this. I'm going on top of these structures. Not this. Oh my god, why are you pushing it? You can't push it. Why are you pushing it? Oh my god! Oh my god, I almost fell. Oh no. Sorry, I opened my eyes. Okay, there you go, I survived. Nice. Oh my god. If you die, you lose your hat. Let's go trick-or-treating again. Nice. Come on, please don't be a ghost again. Oh, I thought it was a ghost. What's the ghost? It's a noob. My head is big! If you eat it, your head gets big, like from the cauldron that makes you get thinner. Stop hitting me with your wooden sword. Get through all the 6 leaves. Please. Come on, keep flying, everyone. Hold your glider to get through these leagues. His is faster than mine. My glider is spinning, but all of theirs looks different. I mean, the same. Mine is different. I'm going up to the moon! Oh, dang it ended so quick! Why? I wanted to go to the moon. Survive the lava spinner until 35 seconds. Oh my god, I almost lost my hat and head. Being big. I'm gonna do this time. And now, oh my god, I almost died. I'm gonna stay over here in case. Oh my god. Jump, jump. Keep jumping in case the round is over. It keeps going when you survive. So I think you have to be careful, do not die. Yes, there's only like 3 survivors. Yes. We did it. Nice. Oh my god, 5 with lasers and 30 lasers. Run away from tornado. Run away from tornado. Run. This doesn't seem smart because the tornado never comes here. Oh, the tornado went that way. This is a safe spot. The tornado doesn't come to the bottom left. And it goes only from the top left and the top and bottom right. Oh my god, #1 plastic chewer has a sword. Avoid them until the round ends. Oh my god, be careful, careful, careful. Stay away, stay away. Come on, come on, go, go, go. Oh my god, there's only like me remaining with the hat. Yes. Why do the rounds keep ending so quick? Boom! Dang it, dude! How did the button explode? Go to one of the corners. Dang it, dude! I chose the right one! Dang it, how is this impossible to choose the right one? Come on, who's gonna survive? Oh, dang it! They're gonna survive in this one. Oh my god! Great job on surviving. It's so funny when I always don't know this. Can you finish the maze before it disappears? I'm gonna show you guys the cheat in this. Let's go over here. I did it! That's a cheat. Now let's get out my guitar. The guitar. It's so funny. And this is a different song. Yay! The candy cane. It's so funny when you eat it. Okay. This is a different song. There's only like 3 songs on this guitar. Watch out, boulders are coming. Okay. Someone fell. toss the turquoise back and forth as many times as you can. Oh my god, it spins. Come on. 1, 2. Yes, I did it! Yes, I did it! I did it. 4. Oh, she died! Let's go. Across 6 times. Take it, dude! He died! He died. Yes! What the heck? I won like 8 points and he won like 6. Take the L, you. I'm talking about the person that almost made it with me. He was almost tied with me. Okay, come on. Don't fall. You gotta be careful to do not fall down there. Come on. Taking my phone is at 20. I'm gonna do until like 4 more rounds and then I'm gonna end the video. Cause my phone just got to 20. Cause it was at 21 and now it's at 20. Now I have to wait until like 4 rounds end. What? When 4 rounds end, I'm gonna end the video. Come on, activate the button. There you go. Oh my god! Clearly in 5 places again. And she died. Well, she was in a bubble. King up the hill, get to the top, and don't get pushed off. No, I only have like 2 rounds left. Oh my god! Ow, ow! Oh, it feels like a car. So funny. And someone's getting pushed. Ow! Ow! It's doing the same song again. Ow, stop me! Let's go on the top! Come on, keep me at the top. So funny. Ow! And someone just won. This person over here won like 27 points. Quick, don't move it. I can move while playing the guitar, but you can't even use your joystick to move. Now, 1 more round and then ending the video. Oh no. $19. Oh no, boulders are coming. This is the same round. I have to do 1 more because it's the same round. Because if you touch the boulders, you die. Why does it keep doing this all the time? It's gonna do it like 4 times. It's gonna do it again. And space. Wait, let's do 1 more. Let's get out this. And let's create noobs at the top. Whoa. It's waiting noobs. 1 more round and then ending the video. Oh my god, he has a sword. Come on, go, go, go. Oh no, when we do another round, 1 more round and then end the video. Bye. Okay. Okay, it's the end of the video, guys. Bye. See you in my next video, guys. Bye-bye, guys. If you want to see a part 3 of Don't Press the Button, leave a like on this video. Bye, guys.